English shopping dialogue, grocery shopping with Sheldon and Jennifer. Hi Jennifer. Are you ready for our grocery shopping trip?
Hi, Sheldon. Yes, I have my shopping list ready. Let's go.
Great! So, what do we need to buy today?
Let's see. First, we need some vegetables. I want to get tomatoes, cucumbers, and carrots.
All right. Should we get some lettuce for a salad, too?
Good idea. Lettuce is perfect for a salad. Let's get one.
Do we need any fruit?
Yes, we do. I think we should get apples, bananas, and maybe some oranges.
Sounds good. Apples are my favorite. Do you want to buy any berries?
Yes, maybe some strawberries. They are sweet and delicious.
Okay. What's next on the list?
We need some dairy products. Let's get milk, cheese, and yogurt.
Should we get some eggs, too?
Yes, definitely. Eggs are always useful.
All right. How about bread? Do we need any?
Yes, let's get a loaf of whole grain bread. It's healthier.
Good choice. Anything else?
Yes, we need some pasta and rice for dinner. They're easy to cook.
I agree. Pasta is always a good option. Do we need any sauces?
Yes, let's get some tomato sauce. It's perfect with pasta.
All right. Is there anything else on the list?
Yes, we need some snacks. Maybe some chips and a few chocolate bars?
Sure, why not? Snacks are great for movie nights.
Exactly. I think we're done with the list. Let's head to the checkout.
Sounds good. This was a successful shopping trip.
Yes, it was. Thanks for helping me, Sheldon.
Anytime, Jennifer. Let's do this again soon.
Mastering English Directions, Easy Guide for Everyday Travel. How do I get to the library from here? Go straight down this road, then turn left. Where's the nearest bus stop? The nearest bus stop is 2 blocks away, next to the post office. Can you tell me the way to the museum? Yes, walk 3 blocks down and take a right at the traffic light. Is there a supermarket around here? Yes, there's one near the park. It's a 5-minute walk. How far is the train station? The train station is about a mile away. You can take the bus. Could you direct me to the nearest pharmacy? Sure, go straight and turn right at the first intersection. Where's the best coffee shop in town? Michael says the best coffee shop is on Main Street, near the bookstore. How do I get to London from here? You can take a train from the Central Station to London. Where is the closest ATM? The closest ATM is next to the bakery on Oak Street. Can you show me the way to the nearest hotel? Yes, go down this road and turn left at the traffic lights. It's right there. How do I find the post office? The post office is across from the City Hall. It's a 10-minute walk. What's the quickest route to the airport? The quickest route is via the expressway. Take a taxi, it's faster. Where can I find a good restaurant around here? Linda recommends the Italian restaurant on High Street. It's not far. How do I get to Central Park from here? Walk 2 blocks east and then follow the signs. Is there a gas station nearby? Yes, there's one on the corner of Elm Street and 5th Avenue. Can you point me to the nearest restroom? The nearest restroom is inside the mall, next to the food court. Where is the closest parking lot? The closest parking lot is behind the library. How can I get to the beach from here? You can take the number 5 bus. It stops near the beach. Where is the nearest subway station? The nearest subway station is at the end of Maple Street. Can you tell me how to get to Oxford University? Take the train headed north and get off at the Oxford stop.
Essential English, master basic words with simple questions and answers. What is a book? A book is something you read. Is this an apple? Yes, this is an apple. Can you define ability? Ability means the skill to do something. Is he able to swim? Yes, he is able to swim. What is the book about? The book is about history. Are you absolutely sure? Yes, I am absolutely sure. What is a car? A car is a vehicle with 4 wheels. Do you have an idea? Yes, I have an idea. Does she have the ability to sing? Yes, she has the ability to sing. Is he able to come to the party? Yes, he is able to come to the party. What is the movie about? The movie is about space travel. Is this absolutely necessary? Yes, it is absolutely necessary. What is a cat? A cat is an animal that purrs. Do you see an airplane? Yes, I see an airplane. Does he have the ability to fix cars? Yes, he has the ability to fix cars. Are you able to help me? Yes, I am able to help you. What is the story about? The story is about friendship. Is this absolutely true? Yes, this is absolutely true. What is a house? A house is a place where people live. Do you have an umbrella? Yes, I have an umbrella. Are you able to speak French fluently? Yes, I am able to speak French fluently. Tell me about your experience studying abroad. I have studied abroad in London for 1 year. Do you absolutely need to finish your homework tonight? Yes, I absolutely need to finish my homework tonight. Is it necessary to bring a pen to the exam? Yes, it is necessary to bring a pen to the exam. Can you come to the party tonight? Unfortunately, I am unable to come to the party tonight. How many apples are in the basket? There are 5 apples in the basket. Where is the nearest library? The nearest library is located in the city center. Have you ever visited the Eiffel Tower in Paris? Yes, I have visited the Eiffel Tower in Paris. Have you ever been to New York City? No, I have never been to New York City. Are you planning to travel to Japan next year? Yes, I am planning to travel to Japan next year.
Home dog care, our lovely dogs and how we look after them. Hi Hillary. I've been thinking about adopting a dog. Since you have one, Could you share some tips on home dog care?
Hi, Alvin. Of course, I'd love to. What do you want to know first?
Well, what's the most important thing to consider when bringing a dog home?
The most important thing is time. Dogs need your time and attention for walks, training, and companionship.
That makes sense. How often do you walk your dog?
I walk my dog, Buster, 3 times a day. Morning walks help him start the day, and evening walks help him calm down before bed.
Sounds like a good routine. What about feeding?
I feed Buster twice a day with dog food that's appropriate for his age, size, and energy level. It's crucial to keep their diet balanced.
Got it. How do you handle training and discipline?
Positive reinforcement is key. Rewarding good behavior with treats and praise works better than punishment. Consistency is also important in training.
Positive reinforcement, got it. What's one thing you wish you knew before getting Buster?
I wish I had known just how much joy and work a dog can bring. It's a big responsibility but incredibly rewarding.
That's good to know. Any final tips for someone considering adopting?
Make sure you're ready for the commitment. Dogs are not just pets, they become family members. Also, consider adopting from a shelter.
Thanks, Hillary. Your insights are really helpful. I think I'm ready to take the step and bring a new friend home.
You're welcome, Alvin. If you have any more questions or need help, just let me know. Good luck!